negative 1.75 minus 6.1, I'm noticing that in between these two numbers is subtraction. There's not an addition sign. So we need to change this subtraction problem to an addition problem by adding the opposite. When I rewrite this, I want to make sure that I have enough room to record the opposite of 6.1. So I'll write the subtraction sign and then I give a little bit of space and then I'll write the 6.1. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a box around this first number because I want you to remember that you never change this first number. This part, just leave that alone. Now we're going to get to the part where we change the addition or the subtraction to addition. So we're going to add the opposite, and the opposite of 6.1 is negative 6.1. So negative 1.75 plus negative 6.1. That is how you would write negative 1.75 minus 6.1 as addition. So these two problems are equivalent. Up here it's written as subtraction, down here it's written as addition. Now for our addition rules. Now that it's addition, we have an addition sign in between. What are our addition rules? Well, our addition rules say if the signs are the same, like they're both negatives or they're both positives, you would add. If the signs are different, you subtract. Well, these are both negative numbers, so we're going to add. Now I'm still going to put the number that is larger in terms of absolute value on the top, and then I'm going to put the 1.75 below that. Notice I was careful to make sure the decimals lined up, and since there's an extra space here, you just add a 0. So we are adding these together. Signs are the same, they're both negative numbers, so we're going to add these together. 0 and 5 makes 5, 1 and 7 gives us a sum of 8. Bring the decimal down. 6 and 1, the sum is 7. So a negative 1.75 plus a negative 6.1 gives us a negative 7.85, or if you prefer, you could say 85 hundredths.